Alright, in this video I'm going to show you quickly how to make your Canvas title pages following the template that the school has. So this is the template. I imagine this should probably be sent to you by the Canvas coordinator. So it looks like this. So the idea is that here you put all your information. So maybe in my case I'm going to put this is history, 10th grade, and then I'm going to put first trimester. Then here in this section, oops, try not to drag that, drag it back. I'm going to put trimester 1, causes of, I'm just going to call this World War II. And I like to make these bullet points, causes of World War II. The war, the Holocaust, and reading mouse, and consequences of. For example, here you just put a summary of the topics that you're going to teach in the trimester. That can be as detailed or not as necessary, but the idea is that it shows kind of an overview of what students should expect. Then up here you've got this image. If you'd like to change it, you can just delete this one that is here. And let's say I'm going to go and I'm going to find on Google World War II. Go into images. And let's see. I don't know. I like this one. It shows Hitler. Everybody seems to know who that is. Save the image on my computer. And then I can just insert it as a picture into the PowerPoint. There it is. Put it there. I'm going to make it so it fits here. So you can put more than one picture if you like. The ease of explaining this video, I'm just going to extend this over. So there's just one picture there. But probably looks better if you put one or two more pictures. So now the trick is that I've saved this, that I've made this rather. I need to save it as a picture so I can put it in just as an image on the Canvas title page. So I'm going to go to Save as Pictures. I'm going to call this Canvas Title World War II. And save. PowerPoint's going to save each slide as an image. So actually the easiest way to do this, which will save you time, is if you just go ahead and make or all of your classes, and for each trimester the title pages, and then you can just save them all one time, Canvas title pages, and all the image files will appear in one folder, which will make it a lot easier to find them. Okay, now I'm going to go back in here to Canvas, and so I'm on my home page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit it, and I am simply going to put in embed image. Excuse me, that is not what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over here to images and upload a new image. I'm going to have to find that file. So again, PowerPoint will save that all in one folder. I'm going to put it in. You have to put something here, alternative text, and then it will upload that. You have it. All right, save. And there you go. You've got this image that appears as the title page in Canvas. So that will show up always when you or the students bring up the home page in Canvas.